Jamaica. Yo. So, you remember when the Jamaican government stated that they are going to legalize Obeah? For the near conscious who already had doubts about what the government is, which is puppets used by the private sector Illuminati to regulate us and resources for their use. This was them making it known that this secret but open lifestyle is a major part of their living and to exert control over us. They are puppets of the higher level Illuminati anyways. Jamaicans love Obeah. Two, if traced correctly, goes back to Africa, the Middle East, and Babylon. And the wicked of them calls out for Jesus. Yeah, my aunt is one of these. So I know she tried multiple times to get rid of me, but failed because of Allah. Obeah is low level magic, science, originally known as sihir or black magic. The oils and powder used attract specific jinns, you call them demon, Satan, duppy, whatever, for specific purposes, either luck, damage, possession, blindness, insanity, you name it. The only cure for magic and jinns is the Quran and its verses. Anything outside that is false and usually done with the help of jinns tricking the ignorant to life. So beware of those so-called spiritual people and powerful pastors who claim God and angels or Jesus works with them. That's the lie that will cost you your soul. If it's not in the name of who created you, then it's false. And if you're unsure who created you, a time to catch yourself before you break. Whether black or white, human beings should go near magic, and magic is real and forbidden. Jinns jinns chose evil before we were created, then hated us for many different reasons and only wants to destroy us. Magic requires humans and jinns who are not supposed to contact each other or live in the same space coming together. This creates imbalance in our dimension and lots of negative energy. The process or ritual done bridges a gap between our world and the jinns. It releases antimatter and attracts more of them. And by doing something for them, they do something that is impossible for you. But the cost is high and they can turn on you, whether it's tying down others to make them be with you, to creating problems in others' life, or possessing them so them walk around eating trash and in higher farms by the elite to keep the masses as willing slaves because they don't care about themselves. Usually, instructions are given by women or men to those seeking it for a price. These people have specific levels of jinn working with them, who they sold out to become spiritual. Also, every human being has a jinn and an angel assigned to them at birth. The jinn is called a Kareen and pushes and boosts the wrong and the evil. It always an echo inside of you. This one will be standing on judgment with you to speak against you as with the angel you were assigned with. When someone visits a Wobia man or woman, the jinn they have speaks with your jinn. Then it tell everything about you to these people who will in turn be able to give you back a description of your current situation and life. So you think they have power. And this is when you sell yourself. Obia, witchcraft, sorcery, psychic, medium, healers, spirit channeling, clairvoyance, wizardry, all these are done with the help of jinns. They don't mind. Their job is to keep you in the wrong till death. And the highest form of magic is done by the elites of the 13 bloodlines. Sometimes opening in front of your face on TV and sometimes behind closed doors. And using us and children as the main sacrifice. And their puppets do it to stay on top of music, the education, to make human beings slaves, technology, medicine, acting, sports, business, and all the things created under democracy and the constitution are the so-called free world, which reforms the natural divine laws of Allah and religion to deceive people with their tongue. In the Bible, the ripoff of the Injil, Isaiah chapter 65 verse 11, Allah talks about God the idol known as Baal that people worship from Babylon till today. Even in Jeremiah, where these elites deceive the people in God worship, tricking them into forgetting Him, Allah, who created them. Why do you think human beings suffer so much while evil people thrive and survive and promote more evil and loss of self? No one cares for truth and readily suck up any and everything that suits their desires or what they can manipulate and alter according to their opinions. These jinns help with this also. Then you help fight Islam based on the well put together scripts and TV, yet you really know nothing. There is a stop coming though. Most will be dead physically and in punishment awaiting trial of judgment, the rest taken before judgment. And these won't be the pagans going against Allah and rebelling against Him. Jamaica, yo, wake up now.